Do you want to be able to know how to use Omegle on your iPhone? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to use it. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to go into our mobile browser. And then, for example, you can go into Google in here. And then I'm going to search for Omegle. So I'm going to search for Omegle in here. Now I'm just going to select this first result. And as you can see, I'm now on the Omegle website in here, which is perfect. So we have a couple of options in here. We can either start a chat or start a video, as you can see. So that is two options that you have. So for example, if you only want to be able to chat on your Omegle, you don't want to have any video, well then of course just click on start a chat. But most people want to actually like show themselves in a video and see the other person in a video as well. And then of course you need to click where it says video in here. But before doing so, I would actually recommend you to click right here where it says add your interest, as you can see, because when you do actually add your interest on Omegle, then it's much easier to be connected to a like-minded person on this app, and try to make it as specific as possible. Don't just write TikTok, for example. Actually write an interest. For example, if you like some sort of football club or some sort of activity, then just write it in here and you should be able to match with a person that have the same interest as you. So for example, I'm going to write like this: Arsenal Football Club. So my favorite football club is Arsenal, so that is why I actually wrote it in here. So for example, I can now click on start a chat or start a video, and then I will be connected to somebody else that also like this football club, and then we can actually just start chatting with each other about this specific topic. So that is basically exactly how to use Omegle on your iPhone. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.